I embarked on this journey for twists to grow my medium natural hair so that it can grow with one length. I have a problem to grow my hair, so I want to grow my hair in twists. So I embarked on this journey. It's been 2 weeks now. That is how our twists look like when I just braided them, and it's been 2 weeks now. And we are going to make a hibiscus for massive hair growth. Yes. So I'll be taking care of my natural hair, not touching it, doing treatments, different Vedic treatments and hair growth oil, deep conditioning, washing with different washing, of course, with moisturizing shampoos, protein conditioners, so many things. Yes. So I had promised to be sharing what I will be doing. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make and use hibiscus for hair growth, to stimulate growth. Yes, so that is how our twists look like, before, after doing them. Yes, so now we are going to use our hibiscus. So in Ayurveda, hibiscus is one of the most renowned herbs for promoting hair growth. Yes, you can read it, right? And beautiful hair. So flowers and leaves will serve as a perfect remedy for you and stop hair fall. Studies show that complete recovering from the dormant hair follicles and bald patches is possible using hibiscus. Benefits of hibiscus. Hibiscus stimulates hair volume and lasts over the years. The naturally occurring amino acids in hibiscus flowers provide the hair with the nutrients help in promoting hair growth. These amino acids produce a special kind of structural protein called keratin, which actually is the building block of hair. Hibiscus will keep your hair healthy and condition, thicken and volumizes hair. Treat dandruff, prevent split ends, and decrease hair loss. A 2003 study found that hibiscus can positively affect hair growth and hair fall in lab animals. Hibiscus help increase thickness and reduce hair fall. Hibiscus acts as an astringent and reduce oil secretion by the sebaceous glands with its antimicrobial properties. Hibiscus also curbs the growth of dandruff, combing fungus on the scalp, and prevent the onset of dandruff or severe dandruff. So that is how it looks like. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. To my 157 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and support, and to my viewers. So at this point, we are actually transferring it in our spray bottle. So hibiscus will also prevent mature graying. The natural pigment and oxidants and vitamins present in hibiscus are said to help in producing melanin, the natural coloring pigment in our body. Hibiscus has been used as a natural dye to cover gray hair. Traditionally, it helps prevent premature graying of hair and is good hair conditioner. So you can kindly comment in the section below if you have used hibiscus. So we are preserving our hibiscus. You can store it in the fridge and it can last for 5 days, but I'm preserving it with a natural preservative called UXC 712. This is very important because you don't want microbials and bacteria to start crawling in your product. Yes, so friends, subscribe to my channel for more. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then subscribe to my channel. So like I'm in this challenge of doing twists, where I'm doing twists and keeping twists in for 1 month, and then I undo the twist. So in between, I'll be moisturizing, and taking care of our twist so that we maintain growth. So now I'm just going to spray it regularly on my hair and on my scalp. You can actually use this to seal in the moisture, to moisturize, actually to condition your hair. In fact, my spray bottle was not working, so I had to get another spray there. As you can see, that's the reason why we are replacing that brand new. Yes, and it worked. Yes, I tried it and it really worked well. Yes. So now, like, I really want to grow my hair to a certain length. That is the reason why I embarked on this journey. I want to grow my medium natural hair, and it is actually possible, and of course, it takes patience and consistency. And you know what? Prayer has been one of my priority. Of course, I always say this on this channel. I believe in God, and I know that the Bible actually tells us to say, without me, you cannot do anything. So once done, work it through out your hair strands. Now at this point, we are going to seal in that moisture. This is very, very important to keep that moisture in for longer days. I'm using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a light oil, and it strengthens the strands. It restores shine, it reduces frizz, it will seal in the moisture, and it will block split ends. This is very, very important. But if you don't have grapeseed, you can use oils like coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of my favorite as well. You can also go in with avocado oil, olive oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, quite a number of oils, right? So whatever you can actually use it. You don't have to go with the one I've used. So work it in, and at this point, like, our hair is also so moisturized. So click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, to see you in our next video.